What up, peeps? This is Dan here with Drywall Solutions. Anyway, we're going to be using the secret fabric again. By the way, somebody did guess what this particular material is. This is actually garden fabric. You put this in your flower beds to stop the weeds from growing in your flower beds. It's pretty much the same exact material as the fiber fuse. The only difference is it's a whole lot cheaper and it's the wrong color. But anyway, glad to see somebody guess that. Now, since y'all know what it is, you can head over there and get you some if you do a bunch of repairs and everything like that. But anyway, we're doing patching up a 4-inch circle up here. Let me get you over here so you can see. Anyway, we're doctoring up this 4-inch circle here, and I cut about this right here is I just made an 8-inch square patch and then cut the corners off. But anyway, here you go. We're going to put this up there, and we're going to be using some 5-minute joint compound.
Make sure on your patches that you scrape them down to remove any high spots, boogers, or fuzzy edges. On this particular patch, we are using USG brand 5-minute. There is a difference between USG 5-minute and Proform 5-minute. The Proform 5-minute sets up a lot slower than the USG 5-minute. And I love the USG brand 5-minute. I can get in, get patches done, and get on to the next one. Or sometimes I can do multiple patches at one time. But anyway, so we got the patch installed. I'm going to coat it with the exact same pan of mud that I taped it with. And if you've watched my other videos, how I do the plaster slickum on some of my smaller patches and stuff like that, I will coat this, and then it will go through a setting process, in which I didn't record it on video. I came in and removed any imperfections after this particular mud had been set up. And then from there, I went ahead and put the skim coat on it with some lightweight joint compound. The reason why I like the lightweight joint compound is it's easier to sand than the all-purpose joint compound. And I don't mind using the lightweight joint compound on a skim coat. But anyway, I put it on going in the same direction as I applied the regular mud, but then when I go to wipe it down, I like to wipe it down in the opposite direction, or, well, I guess it is the opposite direction, left to right instead of up and down. That way it takes out any little imperfections that might have been in it going in the other direction. But there you go. Now y'all know what the secret fabric is. Like, share, subscribe, hang around. We're going to have some more great videos.